I want to welcome here Daniel from Pai3. Welcome, Daniel.
All right. Hello. All right. Good afternoon. It's great to be surrounded by Web3 visionaries and investors that all believe that AI is the landmark technology of our day. And in the future of AI is agentic. And in this space, the agentic space has been predicted to be a $1.8 trillion value. And I'm sure you have investments in that space, and rightly so. But I'm here today to tell you that there's a fundamental flaw that needs to be addressed. And that is that inferences and agents remain untrustworthy and corruptible. Here we go. So I saw this on my post yesterday, on my phone yesterday, that the XAI is blocking sources that are in misalignment with Musk and Trump. And also there's censorship occurring in a DeepSeek space. Now, it's not a political statement. These inferences are being corrupted by centralized organizations or by single individuals. And this is unacceptable. This is eroding the trust that users have with AI. And we need to solve this problem for our projects to succeed. And this is where Pai3 is coming in. So we're achieving striking three main objectives. First, we want to put AI agents where the data is. Second, we want to make sure that inferences are decentralized and verifiable. And we want to make sure the user understands and trusts their agents and their inferences. And we're going to achieve this with three key innovations. First, an AI container. Second, a decentralized inference machine. And third, a trust agent. And if we can bring these three technologies together, all the AI projects and all our AI investments will all succeed together. So let's dive into these three innovations. First is the container. This is where you can put your private and sensitive information in a secure space. And these containers can run on any infrastructure, on your local computer, on a cloud environment, or in a decentralized network. Each container is attached and anchored to the blockchain to maintain trust. Each container has a catalog of agents that each person can use. And these containers also have a decentralized inference machine. And so this machine is able to run your specialized agents on your private data on but also using a decentralized computing. And they use multiple models at once. They also can be in any multiple data sets, and they can also be on any computing environment. And as a result, you can get multiple inferences, sub-inferences, and we can aggregate them together to create a better response for the user. And then we have to introduce trust to the customer as well. So we've developed this trust agent. Now, this is just one part of our inference machine. And so yesterday, I put in a question, and we got a response. But what we want to highlight is that we can show how that inference was made. So we can see here that the inference started, and then DIM accessed the OpenAI, but also access a web search tool to get additional information. And then also accessed an oracle that accessed my personal information so that inference was personalized to me. And by showing this visualization, we're showing how inferences are made. We can also show a list of the actions that were taken to improve trust. We're also working on how to evaluate inferences. And so we can evaluate truthfulness, transparency. We can also detect bias, and we're also detecting hallucination levels. And so that people can look at their inferences and understand how truthful their actual results are. One second. And then we're also developing a resource panel. and where all your resources and all the assets that were used to process the information can be listed. We want to maximize transparency, and we want for the user to understand how their inferences are made. And the combination of these three technologies are going to help all AI projects and all your investments going into the future. Now that we've introduced a trust, we're going to create a trust economy in which users are able to contribute compute, they can contribute data, they can publish new models, they can also perform testing, they can also earn tokens via a Pai3 and rewards, and also get emissions. But I want to emphasize anyone can do this. We want to open up AI to the whole planet, and all these all these tokens are going to be used to support each person's AI tasks, whether that be queries, training, other computer usage, or purchasing new models. And we want to bring this economy to the BNB ecosystem. BNB is a powerhouse in Web3, and more importantly, it's global. So we want to be a part of that community. And so we're committing to using BNB resources and infrastructure to drive our success and also our sustainability. So for instance, we'll use Greenfield for the node vaults, we'll use off-chain for governance, and we're using tokens actually right now to sell these containers. But more importantly, within the BNB ecosystem, there's a massive AI landscape that has fantastic projects doing incredible work in this space. And we are providing a secure trust layer that all these projects can use. And as a result, all these projects and all your investments in these projects are going to have success with Pai3. And so we're committed to working with these projects and working together to earn value. So all these projects are going to have a container, and those containers will earn revenue that Pai3 will have. And if we can power 1% of the agentic space, we'll earn $18 billion in 1 year. If we get 5%, that's close to $100 billion in revenue over annual revenue. And so we're building our project around sustainability and long-term growth. Our team, this is not a vision. This is not we have developed this technology based on solid blockchain science and AI. And our team has 3 AI visionaries that are leading this team. We also have 12 colleagues that are specialists in marketing, specialists in community building, as well as AI and Web3 development. And I myself is a researcher by trade who has been doing decentralized solutions for real-world problems at institutions such as Harvard, University of Texas at Austin, and Nagasaki University in Japan. This team has momentum, and we're aggressively pursuing our goals, our roadmap. We already have major partnerships and clients, and we are and in 2025, we're pursuing mainnet at Q4 and a TGE launch. And with those, and this is an opportunity that we need your investments and support for. And we're going to use that support to grow our community and grow our client base. This project is also backed by Web 2 and Web 3 backers, particularly in the science space, where we have groups that want to use our technology or our network to solve population science problems as well as whole person care issues. We're also partnering with data centers we're committing to our nodes, but also we're committed to optimizing our containers to run on CPUs and GPUs. This will lower the cost of execution for our users. We have a lot of momentum, and we're looking forward to 2025, but we need investment, we need support to go into the execution phase to build our community. And so right now we're hosting a node sale. There's our containers, and which is available at the QR code here. These node containers will allow you to earn revenue on running agents. You'll earn emissions. You'll earn rewards, but also be a part of the governance structure that will guide the future of AI. So my name is Daniel Toshio Harrell, and I am a Chief Science Officer at Pai3. And with all support, I'm looking forward to a great 2025, and we can create a lot of value together. Thank you very much.
Hey Daniel, do you use ChatGPT? Your personal?
Yes. So we can have, in our nodes, we can have multiple agents. So actually on that example I gave.
So do you trust the ChatGPT?
As a single entity, no.
No.
But
why you don't trust the ChatGPT, but why you use that?
So what I can do is I can have ChatGPT, Anthropic's Claude, DeepSeek, and other models all working together as in simultaneous fashion. And then our DIM can aggregate those responses together and create a response. And then as a result, we have a more accurate solution.
Yeah, I think it's like a GPT aggregator. So, but what's the relationship with trust?
Sorry?
What's the relationship with trust?
Well, if you don't trust if one of the options you don't trust.
But yeah, I think your result is also generated from ChatGPT DeepSeek, right?
Yes, but we're kind of doing large averages. We're also supplementing it with additional agents, additional tools. You can supplement with the web search as well as your personal data as well. And so we're increasing the trust by actually showing you how it's made, the inferences are made. So we can use ChatGPT, but we'll know how ChatGPT created that inference. In doing so, you can make a more wise decision.
Okay, good.
Hey, thanks very much. Great presentation. You talked a lot about the sort of token go-to-market, if you like. How do you plan to grow your user base? You're talking about a kind of an aggregator proposition, I guess, that has this trust layer built in, which I think is really interesting. But how do you propose that you're going to get people using that rather than what they're currently using?
So we're taking both a Web 2 and a Web 3 approach. We want to bring both communities together. We have two Web 2 partners that are going to use our nodes and use our containers, and people can be developed in that manner, be introduced in that manner. But we're also developing a Web 3 community. We have a Discord, we have a Twitter space that we're trying to promote this project, and then they will, and we're trying to build a person-centric model, and we're hoping the Web 3 community will embrace that.
Thank you, Daniel. Let's give it a round of applause.